Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and today was a very big day for Samsung at their Unpacked event, releasing a group of different products, including wearables and foldables. And you've come to the right place to check out all of those different devices. We'll be covering every single one of them, so be sure to click that subscribe button so you're notified. We are going to start with one of the wearables. That is their new Galaxy Buds 2. The Buds 2 have a completely new design compared to Samsung's previous earbuds. Comes with a case that does charge wirelessly, also has active noise cancellation built in, and a few others. So we are going to unbox these, take a quick look at what comes inside, run through the setup process, take a close look at the new Galaxy Buds 2 from Samsung. Let's get started. So let's take a look at Samsung's smallest and lightest earbuds that they've come out with yet, the Buds 2, with some information on the back with two-way speakers, comfortable fit. They actually have a fit test in their wearables app, so we'll be able to actually test that out. Let's open this up. This is the olive color of the Buds 2. It does come in multiple colors. So inside this box, we have our charging cable, which is USB Type-C to USB Type-A for charging, and I believe our extra tips as well. Yes, so it does come with medium pre-installed, but these are large and small for the left and right earbud. I will have to replace mine with large, as you guys know. Also, the standard quick start guide on how to get everything connected. I have my Galaxy S21 Ultra right here that we will connect these Buds to. Now here is the outside of the case, just a white glossy look. However, it has that olive colored line right there, a nice little accent while it's closed. USB-C on the back. Again, like I said, the case does charge Qi wirelessly. It does have an LED indicator on the front. Let's open it up for the first time. It is filled with whatever color you do decide to go with. Again, this kind of greenish olive color with another LED light on the inside. So let's take these out of the case and check them out. Honestly, a very smooth look to the outside with some microphones all the way around them, but very smooth. Interested to see how the gestures will work. We'll test those out in just a second. And there is the inside with the connection and what that looks like. Now let's go ahead and replace one of the tips, so it can just peel this off, and let me grab the large size. Should be simple enough. It's actually really easy to replace Samsung's ear tips, and we are good to go. So that is the large size now on the earbud. Now let's get it connected to my phone and run that fit test while I put it in my ears. So I've got my S21 Ultra right here. Let's open these up right next to the device, which does have Bluetooth enabled. And right away, even without doing anything to the phone, it recognizes that they are Galaxy Buds 2. A new device has been detected. Let's hit connect. And again, make sure you do get the Galaxy Wearable App to get everything all connected. Lets me know the battery percentage, 72% earbuds, 32% case. So that was very simple. However, I'm going to go into the Galaxy Wearable app. It's showing my Galaxy Buds Pro, but we can add a new one. Let's add these Buds to the app. It is downloading some software, so do make sure you keep your buds all updated. So we're all set up in the Wearable app. You can customize things to your liking and see ambient sound. They're not in my ears, so I can't switch them yet. But touch controls, you can customize them to your liking with a double tap for the next track, triple tap for previous track, touch and hold what you want that to actually do, whether on the left or right side, if you want it to go to voice command or ANC, volume up, open up Spotify. So there's a group of different customizations you can make, which I really do like. Further settings under earbuds settings, and equalizer, customize the sound reader notifications allowed, and a group more. I want to go to the Earbud Fit Test though, so let's put these in my ear now. Don't worry, you'll see these in my ears in just a second. So I am putting them in my ears now. It recognizes the left one's in my ear, and now the right one is in my ear. So let's go ahead and make sure it's all comfortable. It feels good on my end, actually very comfortable. Checking, keep your earbuds in. You've got a good fit. And as expected, those large tips fit my ears really well. It's really comfortable. Now let's go ahead and go back and go to labs. There's a gaming mode to just minimize the audio delay if you are playing a game. So now let's take a look at the Buds 2 in my ears. Okay, so nice and close here. Here are the Buds 2. I'm going to just put them in my ears very quickly, give you a quick look at how they look actually in my ears. Like I said, these are very small and also very light when they're in my ears. I can tell the active noise cancellation is actually active because I can't hear myself nearly as well, but they aren't taking up a lot of space. They're very seamless with my profile, which I like quite a bit when it comes to earbuds. I don't want them protruding too much. Now, if I press and hold the outside, it went ahead and turned on the ambient sound. So now I can really hear my voice. It lets in noise a lot more. So that way, if I want to go ahead and maybe go make an order or something, I have no trouble hearing, having a conversation with someone back and forth. And then if I wanted to turn it back on, just press and hold. And there we go. There are chimes as well to let me know it's turning on and off. And as usual, just a quick test of the gesture. So I have music playing right now. It does sound very good, don't worry. So just a quick tap will pause the song. If I double tap, it will go ahead and skip to the next song. Let's go ahead and double tap and then triple tap real quick, and it will go back to that previous song. So they are very responsive and work very well and work how they should. So I'm enjoying using these Buds 2 so far. Anyways, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed the video on the Buds 2 from Samsung. Anyways, that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video on the Buds 2 from Samsung. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. Again, a lot more content on Samsung products coming very soon. All the new ones they came out with. I really have to say, I like the accent, the color accent they put in the case. I think that's a really nice touch. But anyways, be sure to click that subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.